That is the first thing to know, that they are not okay. Something is so there's something that's definitely running after them that normal eyes are not seeing. See all the money of these people where they collect now. The man wanted to go and join politics so that he would take a big role, take a big position in the government. They will now be using this position to intimidate his victims. You can't use this position to intimidate his victims.
Aladeo, my people, Quirita don disgwagwa everybody. Oh.
That is the first thing to know, that they are not okay. Something is so there's something that's definitely running after them that normal eyes are not seeing. See all the money of these people where they collect now. The man wanted to go and join politics so that he would take a big role, take a big position in the government. They will now be using this position to intimidate his victims. You can't use this position to intimidate his victims. They not fit do birthday this year. I wrote it out. If you see a man that does birthday every year, like woman, it's not normal. Normal men who have responsibility, they don't even remember their birthday, not to talk of they want to be celebrating. People can't gather a man. Just know, say that man not they carry any responsibility for inside your house. Yes, my darling people, men who carry responsibility inside their house, they don't have the time to be sitting down and doing birthdays like women. Make people they spray them. Then make them they do whatever. The way the man is seeking attention is alarming. You get one video of a woman, when I see one short video like that, where the woman for the talk say when you deal with only the first wife alone, you don't get problem. The first wife is Polish now. That is why. The woman is Polish. Two of them, the last one and the man, same character, and I deal with them. Same behavior. And the last one, I cause the problem with them, they so for their body. If to say now that first one, I see they do that work with that man, and if they collect these people money, it go chop their money forever. They don't if do anything. Sometimes God is great. Yes, my darling people. That third one, now cause the problem for their body. That second one, because that one want to be too loud for no reason. She brag like today, no be tomorrow. Her bragging alone is enough to know that. Because if rope one cut, you can't tight. You know, say if rope one cut, you can't over tight. Now you tell no say this rope one cut. So musician, you can't use kitchen do competition online. You don't see my kitchen. How many of you get this one? You don't see the house when I built. You know. Now tell no say you don't know boy the river ibang. And I mind normal. Other musicians who be say then they Benin, they have even sing music with the entire ear. Correct. Yeah. You understand? Now you go tell no. The way the woman was running for competition is so alarming. If you look at it, even me myself, that time I was just looking at her to see. So in a video those days, the way it can't do. I mean, nobody know we get roga azoy. I don't know why people don't want to do legit. That man they exist for this life. You don't want to walk like every other man. So if oh my God, I have a special dislike for lazy men. You see the woman they say hey, you want a pan say hey. You see the woman they sing, you want a pass sing pick money. Which one you they do? Then who work with a secretary or even you? The fact is that the women were liking the man because if you look at the man very well, nothing with the life of but you not be say fine, not call, not fine. We wa poko. Oye wo na woman I need to look at. He just celebrated 45. Be and here with the man we are age mates. The age mates my boy him. That is why they call him small boy. He be like woman. So now God even doing, I want those people to get joy. Those people where they thief their money. Those people where they collect their money from. God wanted them to get joy. Now social media competition, I finish it. Let me tell you, I always say this thing. A social media, just be yourself and be doing your things. If anybody want to carry you enter unnecessary competition, shift. I don't do competition with borrowers. Oh, do you know borrowers? Please shift. This abroad when I did, so when I don't spend that many years, 27 years for abroad. Now you might be that me what you say. Now person want to tell me what they happen for this life. No. You go near who equal. Every man will walk by with competition. It be equal. Go and enjoy yourself. Just be yourself. Yeah, enjoy. You get it. Borrow pose. Now you want to the go and enjoy your borrow pose or whatever. Then we quite pay us our here. This is how abroad is installment. Then when you're in Nigeria, you know see installment. We're not the yet bossa. I do le review million. You see them pack them together. Those people they will say they want to sing for abroad. Collect money from them. A Koyan vient say they know they carry them past Lagos. No stable job on company on his name. God bless you. Always stable job or company go come day in name. I do total you. Let me tell you, if you have eyes, you have been existing in this Europe for years. Your eyes will tell you genuinity. You are not a baby. When you see something that is legit and genuine, as a normal human being, you are supposed to recognize it. You say, no, mama, I not be age me too. Iye matter. Lisa Kweti, because they say you celebrate 45. Because everything are fake for your life. Maybe you never see even reach 45 we celebrate. Anyway, I'm not that they rock by genuine, just fake life. The way they run. May go carry two face come. May go carry the other one come. We know one. Which one be your own? Apart from looking at the side of the second wife, the one way they do. A second wife to me. That is second wife this thing. The idea of not stealing people money. You know some people when they see they say they come abroad. So a lot of people are so this life in. People they see they say that they come abroad. Many people they do and that cannot be they start this fraud stuff with you. Not be the starter out. Many abroad women they do those days. If they from Italy or from Spain or from Germany, I don't know whatever country they will be. They go to Nigeria, they will go. They say, "You get one, you have to one bear one. That one are from Italy. Come that time, come our area. If you come, money we want collect for people one. Now you want to enjoy yourself before you go back. You go say now, so you want carry them come abroad. You just collect money for their hand. Those one you really put money for hand for grant. They want go abroad. It's study Europe, but if you can't reach abroad, you go say now so you talk. You can carry on a passport, one and give, and you can carry and go there. Now so they can look and say no. Then when your own go hard, you come from abroad, come they return their money small give them. Some way go fit see money give. The one way not see money give now only God can know as they do them. They are living. Those are people who live on. I want to talk on people who live on debt. A person who live on debt is not a normal human being. What every normal person must work towards to live is a debt-free life. That's the real life. That's the only thing that will make you to last long as a human being. Last normal living. The way government is strategizing living for people. Debt-free life. Especially when you are aging. When you don't age, do whatever it is that is possible in your power to live a debt-free life. You will enjoy what life is. From now to 10 years, you they look not far. It'll be like 10 days. Ugwone. In your old age, you don't want to be able to be climbing flight and running up and down. And going to holidays and enjoying yourself, enjoy your freedom. checking yourself into where you want, relaxing inside your house, watching Netflix, make your mind reach ground. See anybody, they call you, say, come give me my money or this one, whatever. If you are living a normal life, your life will always be beautiful to the end. If you are living a comparison and a competitive life, my darling, sorry is your second name. Sorry. Meaning you don't know the ordeal of life. Who do you want to please? Human being. Those things does not please people. If I'm saying those things, they will think I'm joking. You know, they please people. Your knowledge is what people are after in this world. If you're a person, you are not knowledgeable at all. You are like a big fool. The only thing you want to be flashing material things around you. You are like a mumu on top of whatever is in your hand. Take it or leave it. That's why the Bible says, go and seek knowledge. It didn't say seek money. It said money is the root of all evil. When you are knowledgeable, you will know that when you are getting advanced in age, you reduce your debt. You understand? At the end of the day, look at it. And so they can't use thief, can't they rob me? A legit worker to make other thing. When you be my seri, my Yahweh, you don't see us running on unnecessary competition with people. We just go, we do our job, we earn our money, we enjoy ourselves, we save our money. If we want to travel, we travel. If we want to go to eat, we eat. We eat tree. Planned life. When you plan life for you too. Peace of mind that passeth all understanding. You go come to say, you be thief, you were the thief, and you are the real thief. What about today? God was merciful enough to let me see it. All their criminalities and how real thieves they are. This thing, when he started to worry them for his side, but they began to kill the woman. The woman was heavily in pain. And to tell of the social media, who level you are not paying here. Nobody knew what they passed through. And hence, the woman don't follow the man, correct? Why? You know what happened? You know why I can't pay debt, but in one time talk saying a big man marry. Exactly, they are living a high service life. You understand? You say, not sell a house. Kore say, not sell a house to pay. And this tell us and say, the people money are joined to pay. Okay, say the man say, have people join money to build the woman house. Can you imagine? It take people money to they do projects. He had to know level. Who does that? How can we be using people's money to do projects? People's money, is it your own? People's money is not your own. That's why they call it people's money. There are people who are very disciplined with money. Me, I'm a very disciplined person with money. For this Hanover, when I do so, I don't do a way be say. I don't talk. I first they talking for a year now. I stopped because I don't come there Hanover City Center. We left. I know how much they passed my hands. Nobody 1 cent. We say na sorry they owe me 1 cent. When it's time for people to take their money, everybody could take money. You go take your own, I take my everybody go work. I go. I want my apollo be back mona. Ojia yaju. Now thief, now they use until they go. If I don't get money, my family need money in Africa. I don't borrow money to give them. I know they promise. I don't get. I don't have. It's as simple as ABCD. And I know they borrow. I don't get. I give when I have. Unnecessary competition, fake show up, those things like they siphon people. And they make people they fall for what they're not supposed to put. The woman come for put. Upcoming musicians where they sabi sing, all of them did there. We are they were doing juju. May they hear their name. I will not hear go. May you let them go see that even a kid if you come here. You will do concert for abroad today, saying I say you want to come abroad. Me everybody still mind the way we fed before. A big man I bonane cason afraid. I had the time when my own happen, I no say these people, their end go so come. This one, this one no my again. Any normal. This one, any na they don't more bug benina the corner. People are dealing with these people. I don't know who. All those people with their own money, so you don't know say they use juju find them. When I did my live video, when I did live video one day, that time with me and then the quarrel, when one woman call, it come they shout. They shout on my live video. I don't know if you people remember. Why we na or matter ya in gualo. Ya we. Do you know that today that woman not talk? He just shout for that live video. Okay, we want to me and do as you know. She said that and said they won't buy her. I remember she said that. To say they won't buy her. Maybe yan son and yan ye bogwalian. They use juju to define them. And they shop their money. That's why you see some people, they will be afraid of going to Africa. And I'm almost sorry than Africa. And I be a classic maybe you they draw debt. You enter flights, you say you they go home. If you reach Africa, you just want to go and visit. If you reach them, you will sign because most of the people when they back for Africa. When you can because we can it just be like when all these jealous Morgans gather against me. Because I do analysis past them. I present past them. That was the truth. They were threatened by me. They wanted to remove me by all means. They even thought if they brought my parents to social media, they don't know say it go make me stronger. It go make me it make me rooted more. It was a sacrifice they did for me by themselves. Now they perform for me. You understand? So they wanted to do everything that would make me intimidated and enter house. For who? The money may give it waiting beyond this one. You understand? So you don't know where those problems is going to come from. Maybe something will just happen to them in Africa. This kind of people can set a person up. Who are the Africa away? They will just end you ordinary 10,000 naira. And you finish your life with 20 million. Because they don't want to ever pay back that money. The second wife is too desperate. The desperation of that girl is out of the o se ti gele joji o eti ri yemire bakwe o eti ye boku o magwa mi. I'm telling you guys, now when she can't do me some kind things, now I tell you say, these people even for their own party, you go ni me spend the to be me ya mo egbe do tie fan le legbe ma order for me ogbe 1,000 plus. Copyright matter just happen. They don't even call me, tell me say see one thing. It's automatic from Facebook. The next thing, you know, I'm like live. They don't do ya make me go. Easy. We not to get men though. They say they want to use me make money. They say me no get view again and then get view. Jesus, say man me men the back mon cha. Oh, baba, nobody should sell their humanity for money. Yeah, man, tu ami. Vai baou. They don't carry everybody take fine money finish. They just look around, say this one get big enemy. They just took advantage. Mighty Jehovah. Oh. Chalo boy. Even me you we make bina. Uku say bina. It man that for me. Everything. It's already the time where they want to turn me to money, where they want to monetize me. They don't look back. They were willing to monetize me, even the way I just stand up for myself. To say, no, it's not possible. Me, myself, I go monetize when a lot of people stand up with me. They saw the people that stood up with me that they were against it. It matter what I do, for what? It was a big shock to me. It don't finish. You see, some subset of people who betrayed me on this Edo cyberspace. My darling, I can expect anything. I can expect anything. They don't look back. That's why they say they look at CJ. They didn't want to manger, Baba. Why they give me your power? The man say make his wife drag me. And he go say me all of my con. He want to live video. He want to monetize me. Oh God, I cry to my God. Be ye kena Baba. For no reason, this man just wanted to best no tolome. He see me muriagbon. He was show my wariniana. I cry to my heavenly Father in my secret place. I say, any king paniya ye bonidi, any ebony area you no see a fajin yagbi. Baba ne baba, e fana motinye. E fa oji na moma eva desoe e fa e kene fari di aje ya duk mo ni re nu ya ruyan baba ni baba u ga ruyan ga ube u ga e kale o ga a different kind of ukmona ma wear them this shame, let it be extra large in their neck. Esinya na ele ni na baba iya do sire ba desoe ve kesi no mani ya lelian o we no mani ya kulelian baba ni baba sinya ba desoe sinya odawa zen odawo so. Baba ne baba, osiyan no rekoko hiyan no rekoko gela diyan no do siyan bolua. E mini maseti winya baba ne baba ma no winya do somite e yada. Inya wojihi. Mina gele to I cry to my God. If I even know about it, if it was a something that the person sit down, you planned to do. If not be song when I play follow now for all these years. Ni ya we mo ni ya kulele hian no ya yundu hu. E monetization yi ware copyright le Facebook la de automatic. Ni ma be ton ani. They don't even pity me say again now a Facebook ka ma o ka support man a Facebook do ane le no je. Ni ma be ton ani me ni ya ma mo e meije me. They know say those people get mad do. Those people, oh mano jene ni yanje, nariye koku do ebi yeke, atalakpa no managbon, o managbon ne ton an o hanyo ma ene ton an, e ibu no salo bari ni yan no ye ni yan be we, ege ton yan, ivu e sagiyan yan adasa giyan yok bangon, ege bien ton an dayan be ni yan mame ton an dame, they came, yan do ba mo ohi. They just lied on me. They just wanted to drag me. They say, now that small boy, and I tell them, they didn't drag me. That's why they do. Anybody where they lie on my head, you go say, now so me can't look for trouble. When you know the truth, my darling, I they go a hoko for you, not be lie. Oh. Be like that one where sit down for years for inside Germany now. No rest to got no boy, no more baby boy, no the baby food you wa. Say, now so me can't look for trouble. Or less get no time at time. I have mere one good year. We are serious. You that from everywhere. You can do time where we zemo bovekun. Now where we send at your mona David bie. Oh, yare no mu you walk in at boy. Oh, you can't. Oh, you be bad disease boy. When you go na away. My matter not be like that. Oh, my matter is spiritual, my darling. I am telling you the truth. When I go to what total benezoluwa. Say you cannot mind your business. As you they do my own, may you pay shop for outside. May I turn it dinner and money get kuku. That's why it go be for you. If you don't wake bese walking about the way. Because you people are just terrible. They will come and be lying even when they know the truth. The truth go they look them. Just imagine, look at me and look at the whole world. What if you concern that human being? Like I don't understand. Don't want me to tell me where I'm with me. Unless say I go be shame. Say this kind of person. What you want concern Igbonona? Even we are here telling you, they even the shame. What about like no one la nem bugen yin ka? Go say na so me kon even see every day for us. Even no that you marry, 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 even no that you marry. Salo baba no meto an just me no be de yo malira yo maruwa. Wo wa meji. Ade tota yo wo ma mi gbe mi mu wa. Obi o kan kere bu me la wo wa. Odo polo me la dia be dun ki so no ri eni ri daji, ma ri no ri daji. I don't know say na marriage dey here. If they fight my marriage, They bulala my marriage. They drag my husband. Today, look at her. Odafon yang ya pokuto. Egbe o rebo eni. O yan gbin na lebu na. O je gudan. O re saga. Eti upgrade egbe eti doligbe eti dolo wo kan.